understood what is income tax, why income tax, when it is payable, who will pay it, what are the sources of income, what are the heads of income. Yesterday we discussed 5 heads of income. Income from salary, income from house property, income from business and profession, capital gains, and income from other sources. Today we are going to start with the definitions. First definition is an assessee. Okay. Now who is an assessee? 3 points you have to understand. Number 1, assessee can be defined as any person who is liable to pay tax. Any person. Yesterday there was a question. Somebody asked me, who is liable to pay tax? So, any person who is earning in excess of basic exemption limit, he can pay tax. He shall pay tax. Okay. So, basic exemption limit, if it is 2,50,000, any person who is earning above 2,50,000 shall pay tax. If limit is increased to 3 lakhs, then 3 lakhs. Like, okay. Secondly, any person against whom the proceedings of income tax have been started. For example, notice given by the Department of Income Tax to any assessee, any person, search operation, seizure is done for the goods. If any kind of property, materials, assets are seized by the Department of Income Tax. Seizing means confiscation, taking into compulsory custody. That means seizure. Raids of income tax and survey. Okay, if information is gathered by the Department of Income Tax for any particular person, then he becomes assessee in default. If he says, I don't have any income, I will not pay tax. But if department is taking any kind of action, he becomes assessee in default. And third is representative assessee. Friends, representative assessee is a concept which is coming under the income of a minor. You know minor? Minor is a person who is below the age of 18 years. Okay. For example, एक 10 साल का बच्चा है कोई, 8-10 साल का, और उसको इनकम आ रहा है. ओके. और वो भी आपो बेसिक एग्जम्पशन लिमिट आ रहा है, तो उसको तो टैक्स भरना पड़ेगा. बट एज ही इज द माइनर, यू आर स्टडिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट ऑल्सो. कैपेसिटी टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आपने पढ़ा होगा सबने. क्या है कैपेसिटी टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट? कैन माइनर एंटर इनटू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट? तो वो रिटर्न कैसे भरेगा इनकम टैक्स का? In such case, his father or mother, whose income is higher, will be representative assessee for that minor child. Understood? The simple example लेता हूँ. Udit Narayan, जानते हो? Who is Udit Narayan? He is a singer. Okay. And his son is Aditya Narayan. Now he is actor in some TV show, but he is also a very good singer. Aditya Narayan was studying in school. When he was aging 8 to 10 years, he started singing for different children roles. He was giving playback voice. So he started getting an income. So his representative assessee for income tax was his father, Udit Narayan. So if minor has income, he has to pay tax, but he is either of the parents whose income is greater will be representative assessee for that child if their marriage is subsisting. If the marriage of parents is not subsisting, then that parent will be representative who is maintaining the child. Did you understand? If they are divorced, father's income is higher, but child is staying with mother. Mother's income is lower. So who will be representative assessee? Mother. Is that clear? If marriage is not subsisting, otherwise, any parent whose income is higher will represent that minor for payment of income tax. So I hope it is understood. If any question is there, you can ask. Any question? out. Okay, that's all.